Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA code tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to check if your worksheets exist or not in our active workbook. I want to check if the worksheet name is available or not dynamically using a VBA code. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application, and notice when I click employee, when I enter employee, the worksheet name employee is available, employee worksheet is available. If I enter employee 123 is not available, sorry, it's not available. If I enter sheet 1 is available. If I enter sheet 2, sorry, it's not available. If I enter some random text, is not available. If I enter country, which is available, country is available. If I enter student, the student worksheet exists. See, student is available.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my Excel workbook, at this moment we have 5 worksheets. Sheet 1 which is empty, sheet 5 also empty, country, student and employee. Now we have 5 worksheets in this or active workbook. Now my aim is I want to check dynamically whether the Excel sheet exists or not, available or not in our workbook. So let's start the tutorial. In order to create our Userform, we have to go to developer, click Visual Basic, Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. In that we have add one Userform, go to insert, click Userform. Now in this Userform, I am adding one text box to enter our worksheet name, and I require one button control. And after that I am adding one label control which displays is available or not. Let me expand this one. Enable, I'm changing the caption label, and also I'm changing the font size bold 10. Okay. Now after that, select the command button, double click that one. Here we got the command button click event. Now in the command button click event, I am adding the code, the worksheet exists or not. For that I am declaring one variable dim ws as worksheet. So I have declared one object for the worksheet. Now I am adding for each loop to check the worksheets exists or not. For each ws in application dot worksheets. Now let's close the next ws. I am closing the for loop. Now inside this for each loop I am adding if ws dot name, worksheet name is equals to, I am comparing the worksheet name with our text box value, then if it exists, let's close this, and if it exists, I want to display the worksheet name is available, caption is equals to text box 1 dot value ampersand is available. If it's not available, I'm adding this. Sorry, it's not available. Now let's check the output. I am running this application, and here we got the output. Now what I'm doing, I'm adding some random text. When I click command button, sorry, it's not available. The worksheet name, whatever we have entered, it's not available. If I enter sheet 5, which is available, and I click command button, sheet 5 is also not available. Sheet 1 is also not available, but it's available here. So we have done something wrong. Let's check that one. If calculations works, we need to exit here. Exit sub. Yeah. After, if this condition is not satisfied, I want to display this one. If it's satisfied, I want to exit here only, in this condition only. So let's check the output again. Now when I enter some random text, let's add some student is available. See here, we got the student here. If I enter sheet 5, sorry, sheet 5 is not available. The reason, here we have given some space, so let's give some space. Is available. 1 is not available. If I enter employee, command button, employee is available. And notice here, if I add some employee double. Here the spelling is correct, but except it's a case sensitive. If I click command button, sorry, it's not available. But actually it's employee, which is available here. So we are getting conflict with the case sensitive. So to fix that error, go to command button again. Here I am adding one method called lcase, lowercase. Put this in this lcase. It will ignore the case sensitives. That's it. Now let's check the final output again. And here we got the final output of our application. And notice when I click employee, when I enter employee, the worksheet name employee is available. Employee worksheet is available. If I enter employee 1, 2, 3, is not available. Sorry, it's not available. If I enter sheet 1, sheet 1 is available. If I enter sheet 2, sorry, it's not available. If I enter some random text, is not available. If I enter country, which is available, country is available. If I enter student, the student worksheet exists. See, student is available. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained using a VBA Userform code how to check if a Excel worksheet exists available or not. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. Thanks for watching this video tutorial again, and we'll catch you in my next video tutorial.